Hello everyone, and welcome back for today's puzzle. We are just continuing on in the book. I do make a small commission for any purchases, but if you would like to solve along with me, then that would be the way to do it. So it looks like today we're on puzzle number 62. Let's start with this box here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 here. Oh, but here we've got a 6 and an 8, so this is our 7. Because of that 6, this has to be our 8, and this is our 6. For this column then, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9 and 1. So for this box then, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3 and 9. Finish this column then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 there, so 4, 5. To finish this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. Right, where shall we go next? We work on this row, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 5 and a 9 there. So this is our 6. We've got a 9 there, so 5, 9. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 covering this box, an 8 here, so 7 and 9. Same here, we've got a 6 covering, but no 8, so 7, 8, 9. For this box now, we've got the 9 covering. No help here. So 6, 7, 8. And here we've got no other help, so 6, 7, 8. But that... Okay, so that doesn't help us out too much. Let's do this row. We're missing 3, 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 covering there, a 7 there. So 3 and 8, the 4 still covering here. Now we've got a 3, so 7, 8. We've got the 3 covering here. So 4, 7, 8. We've got a 7 covering here with that 3, so 4 and 8. We look at this row, we're missing 1, 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 covering this box. So 1, 3, 8. We've got a 3 here. So 1, 8. We've got a 1 here. So 3, 6, 8. We've got a 6 here. So 1, 3, 8. We work on this column here. We're missing 1, 3, 4, 8. We've got the 4 here. So 1, 3, 8. We've got the 1 and the 4 here and a 3 here. So this has to be our 8, which makes this our 4. So then we can get rid of the 8s here and here. We can get rid of the 4 there. And that means the only place the 3 can be in this row is here. So then we can get rid of this 3. right, can we do anything else? Not at the moment. For this column, we're missing a 2, 6, 7, and 8. We've got the 2 there, and the 7 there, and the 6 there. So our 8 has to be here. We can get rid of this 8. We've got the 6 covering here, and the 7 there. So this is our 2, this is our 7, this is our 6. And then that means we can get rid of this 6 here. And that 8, we can get rid of this 8 here. So if we finish out this box, we're missing a 3. So for this row now, we need a 1, a 2, and a 6. We've got a 1 and a 2 there, so this is our 6. No other help, so 1, 2, 1, 2. For this row, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 4 there. So 5, 9, a 4, and 5 there. So this is our 9, this is our 5, this is our 4. So to finish out this column, then we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got an 8 there. So 1, 2, so that means this is the only place our 8 can be, which makes this our 1, which makes this our 3, and this our 6, and this our 1. All right, for this column, 1, 2, oh, we've got our 9 here, so this is our 7, 8, 9, and 7, 8, and this 1 makes this our 2, 1, 2. So then to finish out this box, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 there, so 3 and 7. And there we go. That was today's puzzle. As always, please like, subscribe, share with someone you think would enjoy the content, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.